Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn trigonometry relations step by step. Begin by learning right triangle basics and memorizing sine, cosine, and tangent for common angles. Then practice identifying opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse on varied diagrams, and move to simple algebraic proofs connecting ratios to angle measures before exploring real examples to solidify understanding. Start building the unit circle intuitively by plotting points at radius 1 and labeling angles in degrees and radians, then link coordinates to sine and cosine values for common angles, practice symmetry across quadrants, and use reference angles to compute values quickly. This approach turns memorization into pattern recognition and makes solving trig problems faster and less intimidating. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more tutorials, and consider a quick recommendation to free up study time. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum has voice control and smart cleaning that gives you minutes back for learning. Check the description for the link and other deals. Enjoy the convenience, and now let's get back to the video. Warm up with the Pythagorean identity and derive reciprocal identities from basic definitions. Then explore sum and difference formulas with simple geometric constructions or algebraic substitution, and practice rewriting expressions using these identities until manipulation becomes second nature. Steady repetition and clear reasoning will build confidence and make solving complex trig equations straightforward and even enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.